Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today we're diving deep into the astonishing 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a vehicle that blurs the line between luxury RV and heavy-duty truck. We'll take you through the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing in full detail so you get a complete picture of what this rolling mansion on wheels offers. Asterisk. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome presents a commanding presence on the road. Built on a heavy-duty commercial chassis, the body is expansive and bold, featuring characteristic Kenworth ruggedness yet elevated with aerodynamic touches and luxury finishes. Slide-outs and retractable sections expand the living area once parked, giving it that mobile home feel. The front fascia retains the robust Kenworth grille and tough lines, while the body panels, windows, and roof sections are clearly designed for residential comfort as much as mobility. According to one source, it spans 3 levels, literally a triple-deck configuration with dedicated living spaces across them. Because of that size, the exterior also incorporates heavy-duty suspension, reinforced chassis components, and large tires to support the weight of the motorhome's build and amenities. Visual curb appeal is massive. The blend of truck and luxury home makes a bold statement. Asterisk. Moving inside, the interior of this motorhome is where luxury truly shines. On those 3 levels, you'll find full kitchens, lounge areas, bedrooms, bathrooms, all finished with premium materials such as leather upholstery, polished wood veneers, stone countertops, and elegant accent lighting. Smart home integrations let you control climate, lighting, and entertainment systems from central touch panels or mobile devices. Soundproofing is enhanced to keep the interior quiet even while underway. And the storage solutions are cleverly hidden so the large living spaces feel open and uncluttered. Because the design merges truck engineering with high-end living, the comfort and convenience are more akin to a luxury apartment than a typical RV. Slide-outs expand the living space further when parked, making it feel expansive. Again from the source, the interior includes multiple sleeping areas, fully equipped kitchens, entertainment lounges, and luxury bathrooms. If you're living on the road, this interior sets a new benchmark. Asterisk. Now onto performance. This is where the Kenworth heritage comes into play. Built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, it uses a powerful diesel engine or multiple options, engineered for long-haul reliability and substantial load capacity. One article mentions that the engine delivers smooth acceleration, ample torque, and consistent performance even on steep inclines or long highways. Suspension and braking systems are upgraded beyond typical motorhome standards to handle the size and weight, giving more stability and ride comfort than many rivals. Safety tech is also more truck-grade. Features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise, collision mitigation are listed. That said, with great size comes certain trade-offs. Fuel consumption will be high. Parking and maneuvering will require planning. And maintenance will be more complex than a standard RV. But for what it offers, mobility plus luxury living, it delivers impressively. Asterisk. Finally, let's talk price. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is positioned in the ultra-premium segment of the market. One listing estimates a starting price around US $420,000, but fully loaded versions with all the amenities, slide-outs, premium finishes can climb substantially higher. Because this is not a mass-market RV but a bespoke mobile residence, you'll want a budget for the higher end if you want top-tier features. For buyers in Pakistan or anywhere outside the US, you'll also want to consider import duties, shipping, local registration, servicing availability, and parts access, which can add significantly to the total cost of ownership. Asterisk. In summary, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a statement piece. If you're seeking a vehicle that offers more than just transport, rolling luxury home with serious performance credentials, this fits the bill. The exterior blends truck durability with luxury styling. The interior brings home-level comfort and smart amenities. The performance is truck-grade, and the price reflects the exclusivity and capability. If you're considering one, make sure you've accounted for service logistics and running costs. But if you're set on the highest end of mobile living, this is one of the most compelling options out there. Asterisk. Thanks for watching today on the Car Explorer. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.